Hi, I'm Danny Lipford with today's Homeowner.
And I'm Chelsea Lipford-Wolf.
And we just completed a transformation of this simple patio, and you wouldn't believe what it looked like when we started. It was a very blah concrete slab that really needed something to happen. First thing we did is we cleaned it up really well, installed some pavers around the perimeter of it to enhance it and create a nice border. Had to repair a little rotten wood. Of course, painting really made things look better, and we finished it all off with a nice coat of translucent concrete stain. So now we have an attractive area that the homeowners are really anxious to start using as soon as the weather cools down just a little bit. But sitting here and trying to relax, and you're looking out in the yard and you're seeing leaves everywhere, you can't relax there. But Chelsea found a way to get rid of those leaves a little quicker and easier.
That's right, you need to go big or go home when it comes to your leaf rake, and that's what I have here from Ames. It's 26 inches wide, and it has dual tines, 2 layers of tines to grab those leaves and make the job go twice as fast. And you can see just with one stroke how clean it gets the yard. It's going to make your job go by so much faster. But my favorite feature is this little miniature rake that attaches right onto it to get into any tight spots or clean around shrubs and keep your flower beds nice and tidy. But, you know, leaves in your yard not going to cause damage like leaves in your gutter can. But Dad has a solution for that.
And I've seen a lot of damage being caused by gutters just simply not being cleaned on a regular basis. And that's why I was pretty excited when I found out about this a couple years ago. It's called GutterBrush, and it's not made to clean the gutters, it's made to keep you from having to clean them so regularly. It's very easy to install, no tools are needed. You can install it in just a few minutes, and an average home only costs $200 or $300. That can make a big difference. But of course, the big concern a lot of people have during this time of the year with cooler weather right around the corner is keeping those utility bills way down, and that starts with sealing the envelope of your home, caulking around windows and doors and any other little crack that you may have, but really focus on those windows.
That's right. If you have single pane windows in an older home, then you want to get Duck Brand's Max Window Kit. It comes with double stick tape that you apply around the perimeter of the interior of your window, attach the plastic, and then shrink it to your window with a hairdryer. It creates that nice pocket of air to insulate your home for the winter. You can find out more tips for fall and to get your home ready, todayshomeowner.com.